Here we go again.
Yay.
It's fall. Yay. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to go check out the river and the creek and go beat someone up today.
No.
No.
It's fall out. And the leaves here are pretty,
Yeah.
pretty. Look at my socks. Oh, well.
It's actually pretty awesome in the fall too. It's a bit chilly, but like at least it's not like near Edmonton weather.
Yeah.
It's still like warm like mine.
But I was told this is the coldest it usually gets.
Yeah.
It's freezing, like 6 degrees and icy. Oh.
I'm surprised because I thought I would have at least been able to see snow again.
Look at the leaves are leafy now. Yeah, but it was like freezing cold. I wore my big winter coat. I was so warm yesterday going to work.
Yeah.
Nice. Hello.
You ready to climb on? Let's climb down. Show how
Okay,
steep
now look at everything's yellow now.
Look how steep it is down here.
Yeah, I just want to show yellow. But the reds are in the
There's a red.
red. No, the red trees. I need to take video around somewhere else.
They could be down here too.
See, now you should have got it earlier because now we could have went to the waterfront.
We
Because
probably,
it's not like it's dark till 9 o'clock
we
now.
probably could. We have till like 8, I think.
It'll be good. Well, I need gloves.
That's so much trees. Once you don't slip on the leaves.
Whee! Well, it's like everybody sees this video, they'll say, not this video again.
Not this video again, yeah. Well, it's only I think the third one.
Yeah.
Well, let's try going down different trails. We can go down the same way and then record other ways.
How about I fall down the stairs at the video one? Look at down the stairs and it's like, hear the birdie? Squirrel, I mean, it's a squirrel.
Let's go eat it. I think it's up there. Let's go eat it.
But it's so nice in the fall here because it's like some trees turn yellow and orange and red, and then the pine trees and everything else stays green. It's really pretty. The sun's peeking through. Hang on, we're gonna go this other way.
There's lots of deer around here too, so watch the round corners, eh? You can see it flowing.
Where is it?
You can see better from here.
Yeah, they say it's chilly, but it's gonna be sunny. But as soon as it's dark, it's gonna be freezing. I even wore gloves yesterday to work, but they're nice and cozy gloves. So I was so cozy going to work in my winter coat. It's a big, fluffy winter coat with a fur hood and fuzzy lined pockets and fuzzy lined hood. It's nice and cozy.
Yeah, big.
I was like, if I want to live in a damp a city that's going to be freezing when it's raining, I'm going to wear a nice cozy coat.
I'm like, it's not even that cold. I realized, yeah, it does get cold when it's constantly raining.
It's a weird chilly, it's a weird, like warm and chilly at the same time. It's just strange. Right, Vaughn?
Yeah, pretty much.
And the leaves are so pretty. They all come in. Like in Edmonton, what are the leaves? Just blah, like rain.
They just get yellow and green and die.
Yeah, but they're eye drop, teardrop shape. Here they're like at work. In the shopping carts, you have all these little leaves sitting in the shopping carts. Listen, all of these like this in the shopping carts, and they're like red and orange and yellow and brown, and then they're in the shopping carts and they look so pretty. Fun.
Yeah.
Look at the leaves here, are so pretty. Huh?
Still got leaves.
This is the leaves here, Vaughn. We never got leaves falling like this in Edmonton, right?
No.
They were not this shape.
Yeah, here too. What way should we go?
Well, we're just gonna go straight. Something's running here. See? That must be the Vaughn. Oh, I can't wait to go see again.
That's the sewer, isn't it?
That might be the sewer, yeah. The sewers here are not like in Edmonton. The sewers in Edmonton are underground in pipes, but here in Nanaimo they're above ground. I mean, they drain Like that little stream I just showed you. So they drain through, like, they look like little streams. They don't go underground. Interesting. They might have some underground, but whoa, we're flowing. I can hear this creek from my house, from my bathroom. Okay, so everybody remembers it's right. Okay, there's people here. You guys remember how dry it was? Look like. Remember it was all dry before?
Yeah, it's completely filled up.
Oh. There we go. It's filled up now. Fine. Wow. Because remember last time we were here and you could see the riverbed, the rock on the bottom? Now you see it's all covered. Fine. There it is, all covered up. Fine. Do you remember I told you that it probably gets as high as that cut in of the rock?
I think so too.
It's all about, there you go. Now you see it, Vaughn. It's going all covered now, right?
There's a pipe there too.
A what?
There's a pipe there too for some reason.
Oh, I don't know.
I see Michael was walking on the river.
Not now, though. It's all full now. It's not super deep. It's just over it a bit. This is what we hear from our bathroom now, the sound. Right, Vaughn? It carries really far. Right, Vaughn? It looks like you're smoking marijuana because it's so small. Look at that. This is the same creek we showed you guys where you could see the rock bottom last time, the last two videos. It's all closed up now.
Should we go spear fishing?
Spear fishing. You can see it's still kind of shallow there, Jed. It should get higher yet. Should get a bit higher into these plants on the side, up to here, maybe, and up to. I'll do this. Put my finger in here. Up to this, maybe. And on this side, where you see it, drag it in. Up to here, maybe. Okay, should we go see that waterfall now? Bonnie? Well, here we are down further. This is like the same scenes we showed you guys before. I don't know if you remember, but just past the bridge that we were on over there. And look how big it is now. The river. Is it? Yeah, there we go.
I just realized I forgot my coffee.
Is it a creek or a river?
This is the river.
It's a river? Yeah, not a creek, right? There's lots of people. So the winters, it's a little chilly today in the shade, but I guess the winters don't get much chillier than this, so we're lucky. It actually feels like it does inside work when the air conditioning is going really strong. Like how it makes your ears and nose and throat feel cold. It actually was that cold inside work. But I wonder if it's actually blowing from outside. Vaughn. Because when you step out, they got the heat blowing in the entryway, but when you go out to towards outside, you can feel the ice cold coming in.
Well, they have the freezers and stuff too.
What is that down there that looks white?
Probably water. Waterfall.
That's the waterfall. Look at it. Oh, you guys are in for a treat today. See all that light back there? That waterfall is huge. Look at Vaughn. Oh, you never have you been here since the last time either?
No.
Whoa, we're excited now. Holy moly, look at it. Wow.
It genuinely expands, isn't it?
This is amazing. I'm so excited to show you guys the waterfall today. Wow. And I bet you it's still fun. What are you doing? Fixing your shoe? It probably still expands a bit more than that yet.
Probably.
Is this since we came here? Is this the first time you've seen real waterfalls in your life?
I don't remember, maybe on pictures, but
I should take a picture. Oh, you can see? I should have brought my phone to take a picture of it too. Crap.
That's mine.
It's not quite as good quality though.
Like it's still
Mine's
good.
HD.
Oh yeah. Well, people can still see it.
Look at it, it's blowing over those rocks, Vaughn.
Are you ready? Yeah, see, Mom, picture definitely going to be in there soon. It's almost full. It's about.
Well, they said, yeah, mid-October to end of November.
Yeah.
They go upstream, don't they? Or down?
They go to the ocean.
Wow, look at that, guys. There it goes, like crazy. People actually, now we gotta go see up top, right? Because they said this is probably the most that you'll see it.
I think it will get bigger still.
Yeah, it might get bigger. That whole thing, Vaughn, one big waterfall. What do you think, Warren? Isn't that beautiful? The same waterfall. And then go down.
And you can see where it started.
It gets so loud, the creek by our place, you can hear it from our bathroom window. You can take a long picture, Vaughn. Wow, you can sit on the bench and nice. Send one to Dad. Did you do it long ways? This way?
Yeah.
It turns on you though, eh? Okay, let's go look up top here. Wow. I just have to keep showing this to see the changes. There's no red leaves in here though, but look at the creek here going, eh? In and out. Hey, Vaughn? It's going fast.
Jumped on that rock and jumped down. It's completely full now.
Yeah.
Gotta do it again.
And it's loud. See, I can take a picture of you standing up there. It's flowing like crazy. Listen to how it sounds. Hey, I could just do it for a half hour, an hour, and just quiet it down. I mean, make coming over there taking photos, see that? Look at this cliff, Vaughn. Okay, look at this cliff edge up here. I just want to get over here, Vaughn. Should we go over there too in a minute?
I'm
going to go over to that fall. Can you hear me? See how powerful it is, Vaughn? Okay. covered, fine. If it was really strong. Fine. It could even come up over here in this area too. Yeah. Fine.
Yeah.
Some of this, I don't
So
Yeah.
that's on your toe, I think.
Be careful, yeah. It's so strong, it'll drag you. You won't even get to shore. Oh, there's some mist, Vaughn. See? In second life, we make our own mist, fake mist. The area is so strong, it's actually misting now. See it?
What? There goes the fish.
Yeah, I imagine seeing them jumping off there.
Yeah, exactly. That's what they do, though.
I want to see fish jumping off there. Wow.
Pretty soon, I guess.
I wonder what Bearden will think of this.
I'm adding stuff to my phone.
What do you think Bearden will think of this? I should come back with my phone and take a couple pictures. I wonder what Grandma will think. Can you get up this way? Coming up top now. The sun in the trees. You should see sunset in the trees is so pretty, Vaughn. Ooh, the tips of my... Let's go look up here.
We were standing on this last time, remember?
Yeah. Let's go look. It's kind of wet in here. Top now. Vaughn's never seen a waterfall in his life before, well, until we moved here. He's just thrilled by it all. Seeing the changes. The hole is all filled in. On the edge. Huh?
I smell fish.
Hey Vaughn, I should take a picture of you walking that way. It would have been cool looking down the creek. Yeah, but I wish I'd take a picture. I should go back and get my phone, huh? Vaughn? I just left it on the counter. And
Here's where the waterfall.
does everyone remember where that hole was?
Here's where that waterfall's coming from, see?
Where do you mean coming from? It's a drain, right? No, that's where the hole is, right? Fine. That hole. And remember we were walking on there, right? Fine.
Yeah, where do you see the undertow? There's lots of undertow here.
Well, yeah, it's strong. It's wet.
It's all foamy. That's what you mean with undertow.
21.
Ooh.
These are just normal leaves. It's not dark enough yet. Okay, let's find a duck pond. Down to the duck pond from up top here. We went from the waterfall and climbed up and around. You can hear it. I don't even know what it'll sound like on here after. All you hear is... The ducks must stay here all year, eh? Well, I can't see nothing near in my view. What? Hello, hello. Look at the waterfall over there. Oh, is it cold today?
See them nesting over there too?
Yeah, they have center island to nest in, right? Is it cold today, duckies? We should go find our couple. Do you hear them responding to my voice?
Yeah.
Did you hear them all going? Is it cold today, duckies? Hello? Can come, huh? Hi, hi. We gotta find our couple, Vaughn. Is it cold today? Here they come over. I think they're running away from all those people, Vaughn. They always come to us. Vaughn? I wonder what the temperature is. Can you check the temperature? It's supposed to be like 8 degrees today, but sunny. It was 6 yesterday. It was so cold. Someone at work said that, oh no, the news said that it was going to snow in the area, but someone at work said that very unlikely to snow here in Nanaimo. She said, no, it won't snow here. You